Italian pizza dough. Nutrition information. Serving size 100 grams. Calories 266. Fat 10 grams. Carbs 33 grams. Fiber 3 grams. Sugars 4 grams. Protein 11 grams. Ingredients. Mix dough for 4 pizzas, each one about 12 inches in diameter. 600 milliliters of warm water. 1 kilogram flour, type 00. 3 tablespoons, 25 grams, of fresh yeast. Or 2 teaspoons, 8 grams, of dried yeast. 6 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1.5 teaspoons salt. 2 teaspoons sugar. Preparation. Sprinkle the yeast into a medium bowl with the warm water. Stir until the yeast dissolves. Place almost all of the flour on the table in the shape of a volcano. Pour the yeast and warm water mix, along with the other ingredients, into the crater of the volcano. Knead everything together for 10 to 15 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Keeping your surface floured. Grease up a bowl with some olive oil and put the dough inside. Turn the dough around so the top is slightly oiled. Cover the bowl and put the dough aside to let it rest for at least 4 or 5 hours. Preheat the oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 200 degrees Celsius. Dump the dough out of the bowl and back onto the floured surface. Punch it down, getting rid of any bubbles. Divide the dough into 4 parts and let it rest for a few minutes. Roll each section into a 12-inch disc. Transfer the dough onto an oiled pizza pan or baking sheet. Add tomato sauce if you want a pizza rosa, red pizza. Brush the edges of the crust with a little bit of olive oil. Bake each pizza for about 10 minutes, then add mozzarella cheese, sliced or grated, on top, as well as any other ingredients. Let the pizzas bake until the crust is browned and the cheese is melted. Remove your pizzas from the oven and, for a real Italian touch, garnish with a few basil leaves. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Don't hesitate to ask for your favorite recipes. Let us know what you'd like to see in our upcoming. Enjoy!